kids will sing along. Stories, colors, numbers, numbers, song.
Hi friends, welcome back to Alazar Kids World. Today we're learning animal sounds.
Animals here, animals there. Let's make sounds everywhere. Happy doggy, wag your tail all day. Cat says meow, meow, meow. Cat says meow, 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 meow. Cat says meow, meow, meow. Soft and cuddly, purring loud. Meow, 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 so proud. Cow says moo, moo, moo. Cow says moo, moo, moo. Big and strong, eating grass. Moo, 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 we laugh. Chicken says cluck, cluck, cluck. Chicken says cluck, cluck, cluck. Pecking corn the whole day long. Cluck, 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 sing along. Lion says roar, roar, roar. Lion says roar, roar. King of jungle, strong and loud. Roar, 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 so proud. Elephant goes paw woo, paw woo. Woo, woo, woo. Elephant goes paw woo, paw woo. Woo, woo, woo. Big long trunk splash the ground. Paw woo, trumpet sound. Monkey says ee, ooh, 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 ooh. Monkey says ee, ooh, 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 ooh. Swinging high from tree to tree. Ooh, come play with me. Animals here, animals there. We make sounds everywhere. Meow, moo, and roar. Let's come back and learn some more.
Great job, friends. Today we learned dog, cat, cow, chicken, lion, elephant, and monkey. See you next time on Alazar Kids World. Bye-bye.